Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will unbox and review the EKSA E910 wireless gaming headset. When you open the box, you'll get a user manual, 5.8 GHz USB transmitter, 3.5mm audio cable, USB Type-C cable, and EKSA E910 wireless headphones. The EKSA E910 wireless gaming headset is a good device in the sense that you're going to get quality jams from its cups. There's a solid balance to the audio output so that no elements overpower one another. The wireless functionality lives up to its promises, and the actual design of the headset is bold without being gaudy. The EKSA E910 headset has good audio. The 5.8 GHz wireless experience is solid and balanced. Don't expect boosted bass or overpowered treble. Everything is exactly as it should be in a headset, pitching itself as a quality all-around audio experience. The retractable mic is also a convenient addition and helps minimize the gamer-ness of the headset. And the faux leather on the cups is great. The range of the wireless functionality extends such that you can have the dongle plugged into a PC in one room and travel a few rooms over and still receive sound, which isn't bad by any measure. And the battery life will last the majority of a standard workday, though not much longer. Still, combine all these perfectly solid results and functionalities, and you end up with a compelling package for both PC and console usage. The most important thing is that I'm having fun with these headphones while playing games and listening to music. At the end, the E910 headset by EKSA offers better value than a lot of other headsets on the market.